Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some classical composers trivia. Who composed the opera The Magic Flute? A. Ludwig van Beethoven, or B. Mozart, Richard Wagner, or D. Johann Sebastian Bach? The correct answer is B. Mozart. Which composer wrote the Four Seasons concertos? Is it A. Mozart, or B. Vivaldi, or C. Beethoven, or D. Bach? The correct answer is B. Vivaldi. Who is known for his ballets Swan and the Nutcracker? Is it A. Strauss, or Tchaikovsky, or C. Beethoven, or D. Mozart? The correct answer is B. Tchaikovsky. Which composer wrote Clair de Lune? A. Tchaikovsky, or B. Debussy, or C. Beethoven, or D. Mozart? The correct answer is B. Debussy. Who composed the Rite of Spring? A. Mozart, or B. Stravinsky, or C. Tchaikovsky, or D. Beethoven? The correct answer is B. Stravinsky. Who wrote the Brandenburg Concertos? Is it Bach, or B. Handel, or C. Beethoven, or D. Mozart? The correct answer is A. Bach. Which composer is known for Boléro? A. Chopin, or B. Mozart, or C. Ravel, or D. Beethoven? The correct answer is C. Ravel. A. Verdi, or B. Puccini, or C. Mozart, or D? The question is, who wrote the opera Carmen? The correct answer is D. Bizet. Who composed the Planet Suite? Is it A. Beethoven, or B. Mozart, or C. Holst, or D. Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is C. Holst. Which composer is known for Pomp and Circumstance marches? Is it A. Wagner, or B. Elgar, or C. Tchaikovsky, or D. Strauss? The correct answer is B. Elgar. Which composer wrote the opera Aida? A. Verdi, or B. Puccini, or C. Mozart, or D. Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is A. Verdi. Who composed Finlandia? Is it A. Chopin, or Mozart, or C. Sibelius, or D. Beethoven? The correct answer is C. Sibelius. Which composer wrote The Barber of Seville? Is it A. Verdi, or B. Mozart, or C. Rossini, or D. Beethoven? The correct answer is C. Rossini. Who composed Water Music? A. Handel, or B. Beethoven, or C. Bach, or D. Mozart? The correct answer is A. Handel. A. Beethoven, or B. Mozart, or C. Bach, or D. Dvorak? Who composed the New World Symphony? The correct answer is D. Dvorak. Which composer wrote Ride of the Valkyries? Is it A. Mozart, or Beethoven, or C. Wagner, or D. Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is C. Wagner. Which composer wrote Peer Gynt? Is it A. Mozart, or B. Beethoven, or C. Grieg, or Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is C. Grieg. Who composed the opera La Bohème? A. Verdi, or B. Puccini, or C. Wagner, or D. Mozart? The correct answer is B. Puccini. Which composer is famous for his Hungarian rhapsodies? Is it A. Liszt, or B. Mozart, or C. Beethoven, or D. Chopin? The correct answer is A. Liszt. Which letter is A, B, C, or D wrote the unfinished symphony? Is it A, Schubert, or B, Mozart, or C, Beethoven, or D, Bach? The correct answer is A, Schubert. Which composer wrote the Moldau? Is it A, Johann Strauss, or B, Smetana, or C, Franz Liszt, or D, Antonin Dvořák? The correct answer is B, Smetana. Who composed the Carnival of the Animals? Is it A, Tchaikovsky, or B, Saint-Saëns, or C, Mozart, or D, Beethoven? The correct answer is B, Saint-Saëns. Which composer is known for the pictures at an exhibition suite? Is it A, Mussorgsky, B, Chopin, C, Tchaikovsky, D, Rachmaninoff? Choose either A or B or C or D. The correct answer is A, Mussorgsky. Who wrote the Symphonie Fantastique? Is it A, Mozart, or B, Tchaikovsky, or C, Berlioz, or Beethoven? The correct answer is C, Berlioz. Which composer wrote the Polovchin dances? Is it A, Rimsky-Korsakov, or B, Borodin, or C, Prokofiev, or D, Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is B, Borodin. Who composed An American in Paris? Is it A, Igor Stravinsky, or B, Leonard Bernstein, or C, Aaron Copland, or D, Gershwin? The correct answer is D, Gershwin. Which composer wrote the Romanian Rhapsodies? A, Mozart, or B, Enescu, or C, D, Chopin? The correct answer is B, Enescu. Who composed the Violin Concerto in E minor? Is it A, Mendelssohn, or B, Beethoven, or C, Tchaikovsky, or D, Brahms? The correct answer is A, Mendelssohn. Who wrote The Flight of the Bumblebee? Is it A, Stravinsky, or B, Tchaikovsky, or C, Beethoven, or D, Rimsky-Korsakov? The correct answer is D, Rimsky-Korsakov. Who composed Appalachian Spring? Is it A, John Williams, or B, Bernstein, or C, Gershwin, or D, Copland? The correct answer is D, Copland. Who wrote the Variations on a Theme by Haydn? Is it A, Tchaikovsky, or B, Brahms, or C, Beethoven, or D, Mozart? The correct answer is B, Brahms. Who composed The Lark Ascending? Is it A, Edward Elgar, or B, Ralph Waldo Emerson, or C, Vaughan Williams, or D, John Rutter? The correct answer is C, Vaughan Williams. Which composer is known for Peter and the Wolf? Is it A, Stravinsky, or B, Beethoven, or C, Prokofiev, or D, Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is C, Prokofiev. Who wrote The Sorcerer's Apprentice? A, Dukas, or B, Tchaikovsky, or C, Beethoven, or D, Mozart? The correct answer is A, Dukas. Which composer wrote The Pines of Rome? Is it A, Vivaldi, or B, Mozart, or C, Beethoven, or D, Respighi? The correct answer is D, Respighi. Who wrote the Oberon Overture? Is it A, Weber, or B, Beethoven, or C, Bach, or D, Mozart? The correct answer is A, Weber. A, who composed the War Requiem? B, Beethoven, Mozart, or D, Bach, or E, Britten? The correct answer is D, Britten. Which composer wrote Ruslan and Lyudmila? Is it A, Mussorgsky, or B, Stravinsky, or C, Glinka, or D, Tchaikovsky? The correct answer is C, Glinka. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.